Welcome to my channel, How to Knot, and in this video I'll be showing you how to tie a heaving line knot. This knot can be used in activities such as camping or sailing and even as general use. Start by creating a loop. Wrap the working end around 4 times. More can be done depending on how much weight or bulk is desired. Now feed the working end through the loop. Tighten and dress the knot accordingly. This knot is typically used to add weight to the end of the rope for throwing or adding bulk. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more knot tying videos, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.